Look how wonderful it becomes when we add orange juice to the chicken thighs. We'll need 5 chicken thighs. Make parallel cuts in each of them. Then transfer them to a bowl. Add ground ginger to taste. Garlic powder. Paprika. Salt. Black pepper. And 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Drizzle a bit of olive oil and now mix well until everything is nicely coated. Now in the skillet add olive oil to taste and 2 cloves of garlic. Place the chicken thighs in the skillet. Let them fry. In the meantime, let's chop a whole onion. Once the chicken thighs are golden on all sides, remove them and set aside. In the same skillet, add the chopped onion and let it fry until golden. Now take 2 potatoes, peel them and chop them completely. Add them to the skillet. Then take a carrot, peel it and chop it. Add it along with the other ingredients. Here goes a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of ground coriander. Stir well to combine everything and let it fry for about 2 minutes. Now we'll return our chicken thighs. Let's add 480 milliliters of orange juice, which will balance the seasonings, make the meat more tender due to the acidity, and bring a citrusy and sweet touch. Cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Look how it's coming along. Turn it often to ensure even cooking. Then let it finish cooking for another 15 minutes. Now let's serve and taste. And our chicken thighs cooked in orange juice are ready. The perfect balance between the seasonings and the citrus from the orange makes the meat tender and flavorful. If you like this combination, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more irresistible recipes like this one. And of course, let us know in the comments what you think and what would be the perfect occasion for this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.